Hi everybody, Lucy Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for another video game lesson. I always said, before we start out with the video, I nearly forgot to mention it. On today's order, this is where you sign it or to order one to fight. There are a lot of people have signed to order to say Mountain wide to keep it as it is. I really love Smash Mountain. It's my most favorite ride at Disneyland, and the one at Magic Kingdom known as Disney World. But they're in change order to save the ride. Okay. If someone is going to this, what it talk about? But in my opinion, we deem it to our most favorite ride is bad idea. I really love Smash Mountain like very much as it is. It's very, very awesome to me. What is said, they're not the end. If you guys love the ride very much, reach out to anyone to order to say this. Listen your heart and know your opinion. So open your ears, open your eyes. After you take the next step to or complete that for to say how much, there are two choices. Share on the social media, is it or like that? It's your choice. And then you're all set. Now let's get back to the video game lesson. But please sign this for today in order to win the fight to save the ride. All these videos and this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please finish done putting all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. So take your time, don't rush yourself. But don't worry, it's not going nowhere. If you had a melee with your all the games and of course the game console, and please, if you guys know everything about it, comment to help me out. This is where we left on. So remember, if I go too fast, look it up for yourself. It's in order to help you out. And of course, don't forget bookmark it to help you where you're left on right here. And remember, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date by any game console when it came out. Anyway. And also, I never forgot to mention on change order that I saw you guys away. Please complete the support that guy who set up that thing, please. And also, there a young lady who see on the change order she actually to play back up where character in the theme parks as well. I will look for it. So hold on at this moment. There she is. And also, she been asking this. She loved the character from the movie. The movie good. You have to watch it on watch the cartoon website where we could watch the cartoon or the anime. So yeah, the movie good, and the Smash Mountain Light is awesome in my kindness opinion way. But this young lady is like this. She only loved the light in the course of movie and stuff. She requested on this, therefore she messaged it. But please support her too. I pray and hope, please finish the sign D2 to bring back everything in my kindness way. Support D2 on Tazor for today, or in order to win the fight. And hopefully you guys will watch this video. Just read the whole thing, open your heart, and open your ears and eyes. But think what they said on Change Ord. However, any of you guys have heard about the manga doesn't sell you on this one going on? It's okay, we had our opinion in our way. And please show your true color of your kindness, of your opinion way. In a goodness way, for goodness sake. If you guys are curious, listen, Buddy 99, why you think so about we deem it to the most popular way, which would make us sad. It gotta be to wait until, like, my opinion, speaking of that, to what is said on Tator with someone in swing, to we deem it to that until the most popular in the year 2009, Princess of the Frog came out. Princess Tiana was new at the time. She's the first one. In my opinion, like, we theme a Smash Mountain is bad idea in my opinion. It's a crash of life. Someone to do a good job ever since that light came out in the 1980s. 1 year until 90s come out. But it not mass Critter County land, but no, it not mass. But President Frog take place in New Orleans. Well, I mean, the last one is the best choice in my opinion. Or there's some places are make room, like, cross each other, like River of America. One of my have been abandoned for the past decade. I believe it's the past Disney, if you hear my voice, and unless you guys hear, sorry, my opinion is that we deem Smack Mountain Way into Princess Tiana is bad idea. And then my best word is find some area to build online or the last one. And hopefully you understand. You gotta wait and see if the change or our success when we want to fight. Fontaine Sword. Yeah, my policy, so if we had an opinion, it's okay. But many of us, we don't care. If any of you guys are thinking of your way, what about we combine now, like together? Do you think you're gonna be crazy? I don't know. Listen your heart, open your ears, open your eyes, and look at the two on change order. What I did show you and mastered it already. Just support and want to fight. And don't ignore them and don't abandon it. If you guys love the ride very, very much, and of course, the character is up for the next reason, please. I always bless their heart when I crossed that. I said, this is our chance to win the fight. I mean, the ride and the characters will be saved. Alright, let's stop right here. I'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you for understanding and listening and also watching on this screen right now. But hey, please comment what is your favorite video games on the list so far, and also what you think the 2 things on taste or that I showed you on the screen. So you guys had a great day and massive day, and may God bless your day. And remember, when this said, had a ZA do that day as well. Whoops. Hold on. And also, I like to add one word. Don't let nobody bully you out of your choice. It's your own way of your right. Remember, we had our Lord by our side to help you. It's your choice. It's up to you. Hopefully, I did show you D2 Fontaine's Ord and help you what you guys want. We still had a lot of times before we end the year 2024. We had a lot of time. Go ahead and go sign the 2 of these Fontaine's Ord for today. And please reach out others people who are the fan of the ride and the character. So do it right now. Do it for today and every day to order one to fight. please support these two people, Fontaine's Ord. Ever since they wanted that, they know what have been signed to Ord to save the Y, and of course bring back the character. That way it's everything what they said it. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.